one more very important option that is there in Power BI, that is filters. As I told you that we have talked about visualization, we have talked about data, and I told you that filters we'll talk about at a later stage. Now we will try to understand what is filter, right? So for filters, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this country wise data and paste it here. Now, once I paste it, can you see this filters have two things? One is country and one is sales. Now, for example, if I don't want to have the entire country data. I only want countries having more than 100K as sales. I want only those countries which have done more than 100K sales can be traced or can be filtered. So just like the way we filter in Excel, here also we have option. So I'll just go into total sales here, not in build visual. Visual is already built. Now I am going to create filters. So I'll just click here. Now see show items when the value is. That means from what value do you want to apply filter? So in our case, it is 100K. So if it is greater than or equal to 100K, that is something like this. Let's, and here it will give you an option of applying also. So if you apply, then see my data has been filtered. In the same way, if I make it 50,000, then my data will be 50,000. If I change it to maybe 40,000, so my data will get increased 30,000. So in this way, you can filter your data. This is again a very, very important tool through which you can analyze your data. Most of the times, it is always 80-20. What is 80-20? 80% of the sales comes from the 20% of the places. So this can be very well achieved with the help of this filter option.